This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about wipes and paper towels, specifically these RW Clean wipes and paper towels. And they come in two different sizes and some different options. The first size is the 23.5 by 11 3/4, which you can see come in these great big individual sheets. So they're fantastic for tackling bigger messes and spills. And the second are 11 by 11-inch squares, which you see are back here on these rolls. And we have both types of wipes and actually paper towels in these. So you can see it's just tear off of sheets that you can tear off that are nice 11 by 11 squares for those. And there's a couple of different options as well in terms of colors and uses. So the blue and white design is the viscous all-purpose wipe that is both reusable and biodegradable. So it's nice for tackling messes in the kitchen, and they can be washed, dried, and reused. The all-purpose heavy-duty wipes you can see are a red color, and they actually have kind of a thicker weave to them. They're a little more dense and a little bit more texture to them. And these are reusable but aren't biodegradable. So those are the main difference between the two. And then we also have the paper towels as well, which are reusable as well and have a nice, fantastic kind of almost cloth-like feel to them. So those are a great little option. These wipes are made from a plant-based cellulose fiber, which makes them a great eco-friendly option to traditional wipes and paper towels, and they're naturally antibacterial, making them fantastic for use in kitchens. They can be hand-washed or laundered and then reused. So they're great for reducing the amount of waste and the amount of wipes and paper towels you're going through in your kitchen. The color allows you to use them in coated systems as well as use them for different purposes in your kitchen, which is a fantastic option, especially if you're doing things for folks with different dietary requirements or allergies. These are a great option for reducing waste since they last 4 times longer than traditional wipes and paper towels and can be reused several times. They're great for cleaning a variety of surfaces, whether that's in a restaurant or just in your home or office. And they're gonna do it without leaving streaks or lint, meaning that these are fantastic for food establishments. They're really looking to do things like reduce your carbon footprint and be more environmentally friendly. So these are great for cleaning surfaces in restaurants or homes, the office, wherever you need to without leaving streaks or lint, making them a fantastic option for everyone, whether you own a food establishment or you're just looking for a more eco-friendly way to clean your home.